5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Go 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Prima, hermana, familia, regresa. 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Reverso. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Enchufa. Pasita al revés. 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Sombrero con mambo y cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Dame. 7. Sombrero triple. 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Dame. 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7. Directo y para atrás. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Impulso. Sombrero. Festival de Palmana. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Wow. 5, 6, 7. 70 complicancia. 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. Up, up, up. Y ¡ala! 1, 5, 6, 7. Sonea. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Chufa, arriba de España. 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Espera. 1, 2, 3. Por atrás. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Follow. Casino is a popular traditional Cuban dance. And in Cuba, there are many ways of dancing it. Just like almost everyone do it the way they want. So you cannot say that stepping back is wrong, that you should not push, that you should not do big steps, because that's authentic. That's how the people do in Cuba. So the people in Cuba dance the way they want. So we have to respect the variety. That's why there is the richness of this dance. So there's no wrong way of doing casino. It could be. Thank you guys. Arriba.